Hi friends, I am Madhavi. Welcome to Food Fair. Today I am showing you stuffed potato parathas. It's one of my favorite recipe. Let's see the ingredients. Whole wheat flour 1 cup, that's atta. Half cup plain flour, that's maida. Half teaspoon red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon oil and salt to taste. These are the ingredients for our dough. Now let's see the ingredients for our stuffings. 200 grams potatoes, boiled, peeled and grated. Half teaspoon anise seeds, saunf, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of asafoetida, half teaspoon red chili powder and salt to taste. These are the ingredients for our stuffings. Now this is rice flour for the rolling out our parathas. It's very fine. We are using this flour for rolling out because it will prevent our parathas from sticking to our board. And this one is oil for frying our parathas. Let's start the recipe. Let's knead the dough. We are kneading this dough at first because we are keeping it for 10 to 15 minutes to settle down. Whole wheat flour, atta, plain flour, maida, red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of asafoetida, hing, salt for taste and oil. Now using small quantities of water, let's knead the dough. Don't knead it too tight. We want this dough medium soft in consistency. Now our dough is ready. Smear few drops of oil over the surface and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover it before keeping aside. Now let's make the stuffing. Add anise seeds, saunf to grated potatoes, a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of asafoetida, hing and half teaspoon of red chili powder to eat and salt to taste. Now mix this stuffing with smeared fingers. Mix it thoroughly. If it is sticking to your hand, take some oil. Now our stuffing is ready. If you want more spicy, add some more red chili powder to it. Now divide this stuffing into 5 equal parts. Dip your fingers into the oil and make 5 equal parts. Let's see the dough. It's nicely settled down. Taking oil to our fingers, let's knead it once again. And now divide it into 5 equal parts. Let's start rolling our parathas. Dipping our fingers into the oil, take one portion of the dough and make it hollow using our fingers and thumb like a ball shape. Now fill it with the stuffing of potato and bring together sides to seal it. Seal it very finely. Now press it gently and dip it into the rice flour. Coat it very well and keeping the sealed side to the downward, roll it down. I am using this plastic sheet to roll out our parathas. It will help us to put it on the pan. Now it's a very tricky job. I am here to show you how to roll it very finely. Press it gently and now with our rolling pin we are rolling it. Sprinkle some dry flour to it, to the lower side also, and then roll it out. Give very little pressure to it. Don't press it too hard. Now rolling is completed. Now it's ready to go on our pan. Now the pan is hot. Place this paratha in such a way that upper portion should face down. When upper surface starts rising in the bristles, turn it. Smear half teaspoon of oil over it. When the other side starts showing us brown patches, turn it again. Now smear half teaspoon of oil on this surface. See how puffed it is. Fry both the sides till nice golden brown in color. Press the sides with the spatula. Now turn off the heat and take it out on the cooling rack. Now it's ready to serve. Now it's ready to eat. Place a blob of butter over it and serve it with salted yogurt or tomato ketchup or lemon pickle. Wow! It looks very yummy. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, email me at my email address given in the description. Thank you.